If you want to make a professional outro in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to create an outro. The fastest method using free pre-made templates, and a more custom method if you want something that looks unique and matches your brand. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build an outro that makes your videos look more polished and helps guide viewers to subscribe, watch another video, or follow your socials. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips just like this. Now, let's jump in. The first method is the fastest, and it's perfect if you want a clean outro without spending a lot of time designing from scratch. Open CapCut and load your project. Once you're inside, look at the top left area and click on Media. From there, select Stock Materials. In some versions, you can also go to the text menu and scroll down to the text template section. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of ready-made graphics and editable design elements. Now use the search bar and type outro or end screen. CapCut will show different templates that you can use as the ending part of your video. As you browse through the results, make sure to filter for free options. A lot of templates may show a pro tag, so if you want to avoid paid features, just skip anything marked pro and choose the free ones instead. Once you find a template you like, drag and drop it directly to the very end of your timeline. This is important because your outro should come after your main content so the video ends smoothly. After you place it on the timeline, click on the template clip so you can edit it. Then head over to the upper right text panel. Here you can change things like your channel name, your handle, or any call to action text you want to display. For example, you can type something like, "Thanks for watching, remember to subscribe," or "check out my latest video." This simple step makes the outro feel more personal and branded. Now let's move into the second method, which is best if you want a more custom animated outro. This approach takes a little more time, but it gives you a unique ending sequence that can match your style perfectly. Start by going back to Media, then Stock Materials, and search for something like black or background. You can also use a solid color background or a moving background, depending on the look you want. Drag that asset to the end of your timeline and trim it down to around 5 to 10 seconds. That length is usually enough for a clean outro without making the video feel too long. Next, add your social handles and call to action text. Go to text, then choose add text and drag a default text layer over your background. Once the text box appears, type your message in the top right text field. This could be your channel name, your Instagram handle, your TikTok name, or a message like "subscribe for more tutorials." After that, customize the font, scale, and character spacing to match your brand. If you want it to stand out a little more, you can add a soft glow or a subtle highlight effect. Then use the preview window to position the text exactly where you want it on screen. After the text is in place, it's time to animate it. Select the text layer and go to the animation tab in the top right panel. Under In, choose a free entry animation like fade in or slide left. Then go to Out and pick an exit effect such as fade out or expand. To make the movement feel smooth and professional, adjust the duration slider so the animation isn't too fast or too abrupt. This little detail can make a big difference in how polished your outro looks. Now let's add a transition between your main video and your outro. Go to the transitions menu on the left side. Search for a free transition such as glitch or dissolve. Once you find one you like, drag it right onto the cut line between your main clip and your outro clip. This helps the ending feel more seamless and gives your video a more cinematic finish. If the transition feels too strong, you can always test a different one until it matches your style. To finish everything off, add some sound. Head over to the audio menu and click sound effects. Search for short sounds like swoosh or glitch to emphasize the transition. Then go to music and add a low volume background track to support the outro without distracting from the text. Keep the audio subtle so it enhances the ending instead of overpowering it. A good outro should feel clean, simple, and memorable. And that's how to make an outro in CapCut using both a quick template method and a custom animated method. If you want the fastest results, the pre-made template route is the easiest. If you want more control and branding, the custom outro method gives you more flexibility. Either way, now you know how to create an outro that looks professional and helps keep viewers engaged. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.